Good morning and welcome to the Daily Grind, where we are going to have a hot cup of coffee and discuss another workers' compensation issue. Today we are going to discuss the issue of fraud, and specifically the offer of proof that you can make to the law judge that will get the award suspended pending litigation on the issue of fraud. This usually comes up when you have raised fraud, you have either surveillance, or you have prior medical records, or you have something that's going to show that the claimant made a material misrepresentation and a violation of 114A. And the offer of proof is made pending that litigation. So it's essentially something that shows the law judge that you do have a prima facie case of fraud, whether and it doesn't have to be a lot. It doesn't have to. You don't have to show all the surveillance. A lot of claimants' attorneys will argue that they should be able to see what we have before the benefits are suspended. But that is not the standard, and that is not the case. So therefore, you present this offer of proof to the judge, whether it be an investigative report that you can even redact if it shows too much of your hand, or a medical report. Anything just to show that you do have a fraud case that should be moving forward, and that the claimant should not be entitled to benefits pending that litigation. So, you argue at the hearing that award should be suspended based on that offer of proof. And also there is an issue because a lot of times it looks like the law judge thinks that you are requesting a finding of fraud at that hearing, but that's not the case. And they're not prepared to make that finding, so they deny your request. However, this is different. It is important to delineate that, to just advise them you're not requesting that finding. You're requesting just a suspension of the benefits pending that litigation. So if you have any questions, if you'd like to discuss, if you have any fraud claims or good surveillance, please feel free to reach out to us, and we would be glad to help you. Thank you.